Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can quit WhatsApp on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, then put your likes, write comments under the video, and let's you and me friends get into this topic. So, first of all friends, open the WhatsApp application. Here you will have to go to the settings section at the bottom, then select chats. Then select Chat Backup and click on Backup Up Now. Wait for everything to fully load and free up. This basically doesn't take much time, as you can see, friends. Next, exit the WhatsApp app. After which you can tap on the app. Then select Delete. And now select Delete App. Confirm your actions. Next, go to the App Store app. Click on the search bar. Here you can see the word WhatsApp. Navigate to it. Next, click on this app and click on Download. After that, just wait for this app to download. And when it downloads, you need to click on Open button right here. And when you open the WhatsApp application that you have already previously downloaded and deleted, and then you'll log out of it so that you can re-enter WhatsApp. You'll need to click here and then enter your phone number, and then only you can re-enter your WhatsApp, or you can register a new WhatsApp using your phone number. This is the way you will be able to log out of WhatsApp app on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful and that it helped you. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments under this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.